rero abagakwenekia uko igoro kwa matemwa manene a KCSE ayo agendete asense ya Kenya asechia visi chomo we sub county ye bunge ya Ruiru e county ya Kiambu
kwa na barikia mangana mwaziri OGAMBA nikobona kwanire higoro Emeroberio oyogendete asokorikyo mabarubu aborokiwa ase CHISUKURU au hasareire unigere unenjira yemo irache gokonya serikali gwikirania Emeroberio yokugenderia amagacho ase CHISUKURU icho.
As you are aware, we've been undertaking a verification exercise of all our numbers, all our enrollments in our schools. And the purpose of that exercise is to determine the situations in all our schools, including which are the schools that have large numbers of students, so that we can plan increased infrastructure in order to ensure that they are comfortable in the working environment, that the environment that is provided is particularly suitable for the students. So this exercise will enable us make decisions based on data and evidence in order to ensure that there is fairness in distribution of the resources, including the teachers, infrastructure, laboratories, libraries, to ensure that all our learners access the kind of infrastructure required for them to be able to achieve their dreams. So we are doing something in that sector, and that process is not only going to happen in Ruiru, it's going to happen across the country, that will then make informed decisions based on the numbers that we find on the ground. And that exercise is complete, and we are now doing the final tallying, and we'll be able to be releasing that